So today's job is to remove this engine from this Jaguar XF. This is one that we'd bought out of Copart. It's took a wee hit, it's been parked up with the looks of it and been hit for that side. We're wanting it for the engine, so let's get on with it. With this one, we're just going to remove the front end since it's obviously been smashed in the accident. Makes life a wee bit easier, and then we can just hook the engine right out the front. This is the point where my back was in agony, so we lifted the ramp up a wee bit. This section here, we had to get the grinder into it. Just the bolts were obviously smashed and mangled, so we couldn't get it off, so the grinder was the best option. Now with the radiator pack out, that gives us right into the front end, and we can get the engine mountings out, get a wee lift up and a pull, bit of jiggle to be fair to come out. And that is one Jaguar engine removed.